In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace with smooth scrolling. Imagine you're building a comprehensive Squarespace website only to realize your users might get lost scrolling through long content. The solution? Anchor links. They allow your visitors to jump straight to the information they're looking for, irregardless of the length of the page. Let's start creating these valuable bookmarks. First of all, open up the web page you wish to edit. On the upper end of the screen, you will see a pencil-like icon. Click this icon to switch the page to its editing mode. Once you do that, your next step would be to identify and hover over the web page section you aim to link to. On doing so, you will find an option to Edit section. Go ahead and click it. Now you will be presented with the Section Settings tab. Here, we want to scroll down until we find the Anchor Link space. This is where you have to come up with a unique name that resonates with the section you're linking to. For example, if you're linking to a section about your organization, you could name the anchor link About Us. Likewise, if it's a contact information page, you could use something like Contact Info. Don't panic about spaces in the name. Squarespace automatically converts them to dashes. Once you're satisfied with your anchor's name, click Save. Now comes the interesting part. Navigate to the area where you want to create the link. This could be a text block, a button, or anywhere else as per your design needs. Here, we're going to add the created anchor link. Remember to prefix the link with a hashtag symbol, followed by the anchor ID name you created. For instance, if your ID was About Us, the complete anchor tag becomes #About Us. Note, if you are linking from a different page, you should use the full URL in this format. The page's URL followed by the hash symbol, and then the anchor ID. Moving forward, your next job is to highlight the text or select the button you wish to link from. Click on the link icon and then paste your anchor link into the URL field. The last step is just a safety measure. Save your web page and test the link. To test, click on the text or button you just linked, and it should take you right to the desired section. Voila! You know now how to create anchor links in Squarespace. With this navigation tool, your website visitors will appreciate the convenience of jumping to the sections, all with a single click. Remember, a great user experience often translates to return visitors and increased conversion rates. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy Squarespacing!